Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. My 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and is uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. AI Xrp New News Update. Following the court ruling in July 2023, where U.S. Judge Analisa Torres determined that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional investors constituted unregistered securities offerings, the SEC has requested the contracts used by Ripple for selling XRP to institutional investors post the ruling. The SEC alleges that despite the court's decision, Ripple continued to sell XRP to institutional investors and inaccurately claimed in its July report that the ruling did not apply to transactions with overseas clients. The requested documents aim to assist Judge Torres in deciding whether to impose civil penalties on Ripple Labs and determining the appropriate amount of those penalties, with the goal of deterring future violations. The SEC argues that understanding Ripple's financial condition and the total amount received from the violative institutional sales is crucial for tailoring an effective penalty. The requested documents also have the potential to discourage future violations. Over two-thirds of respondents to allegations by 3TGM Crypto agreed that Ripple's XRP selling might be suppressing the asset's price, which is currently valued at $0.598. Ripple Labs has filed a motion for extension of time, seeking a delay in its submissions until January 19, 2024, and has not publicly commented on the issue. Meanwhile, the SEC's requests coincide with Ripple refuting claims that it sold XRP in large quantities in December. A researcher known as 3TGM Crypto alleged that Ripple sold 327 million XRP, nearly 3 times the usual monthly tally. Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, countered these claims, stating that sales figures would be included in the upcoming market report and emphasizing the company's commitment to transparency. The claims made by 3TGM Crypto could potentially explain the SEC's interest in Ripple's post-ruling contractual agreements and shed light on why XRP's relative strength index was neutral in December, indicating the asset could either break out or break down. AI Xrp New News Update. Recent developments in the legal battle between Ripple Labs, Inc. and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, reveal an escalation in the SEC's demands. As of January 11, 2024, the SEC has filed a motion to compel Ripple to produce specific documents in the ongoing lawsuit. Background: on December 22, 2020, the SEC initiated a civil action against Ripple, Chris Larsen, and Brad Garlinghouse, claiming that Ripple should have registered the distribution of the digital asset XRP as a security dating back to 2013. The SEC later withdrew allegations against both executives. The first category of documents the SEC is seeking includes Ripple's financial statements for the years 2022 and 2023. This request aims to assist the SEC in determining appropriate remedies, which may involve injunctions and civil penalties, depending on Ripple's financial condition. The second type of document requested pertains to Ripple's post-complaint contracts governing institutional sales. The SEC considers these documents crucial for determining remedies against Ripple, such as injunctions and civil penalties. The SEC's focus is on understanding Ripple's conduct since the original complaint was filed and assessing the potential for future violations. Ripple has resisted these demands, arguing that the SEC's request exceeds the permissible scope of discovery. Ripple asserts that the request for post-complaint financial documents and contracts is both burdensome and irrelevant to the case's remedies phase. The SEC counters this by stating that Ripple's ongoing business activities, especially its institutional sales of XRP post-complaint, are central to determining whether Ripple should be prevented from future securities law violations. The SEC emphasizes the need to understand Ripple's current financial condition to determine the appropriate amount for any civil penalties. These developments are part of the remedies phase of the lawsuit, expected to conclude by February 12, 2024. The trial between the SEC and Ripple is scheduled to commence on April 23, 2024, with the final pre-trial conference set for April 16, 2024. AI Xrp New News Update. The sixth largest cryptocurrency, XRP, has experienced a notable increase driven by positive factors such as excitement over a potential spot Bitcoin ETF approval and Ripple Labs executing a $285 million share buyback program. The price of XRP has risen by approximately 10.25% from its weekly low of 54 cents to its current level of 60 cents. This surge in XRP's price has the potential to break the altcoin out of a prolonged consolidation phase, possibly surpassing the 80 cents level. The recent bullish momentum in XRP can be attributed to the combination of anticipation for a spot Bitcoin ETF approval and Ripple Labs' significant share buyback program. Ripple Labs initiated a share buyback of $285 million from its initial stakeholders and employees, part of a broader $500 million plan covering expenses related to converting restricted stock units into common shares. Technically, XRP's price action over the last 6 months has formed a symmetrical triangle formation, with peaks and troughs within converging trend lines. The repeated testing of both trend lines indicates investor awareness of this chart formation. The recent rejection candle on January 3 suggests that buyers view price dips as accumulation opportunities, reinforcing the overall upward trend. To break out of the consolidation phase, a strong breach of the triangle formation's resistance trend line is crucial. This breakout could intensify buying momentum, potentially leading to an 18% price increase to 75 cents and further to 93 cents. However, new investors are advised to wait for confirmation through the triangle formation's break before expecting a recovery. If supply pressure hampers progress at the upper trend line, XRP's price might move horizontally. Conversely, a breach below the lower trend line could result in a sharp decline. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, on the daily time frame currently sits at 47, indicating investor neutrality against a downward trend. The horizontal orientation of the Bollinger Bands, BB, indicator suggests a lack of momentum, hinting at potentially prolonged horizontal price movement despite the positive market outlook. Xrp New News Update. The Hong Kong Virtual Asset Rating Agency, HKVAC, has made waves in the global cryptocurrency community by announcing upcoming adjustments to its indices, set to be effective on January 19. A notable change is the removal of XRP from its cryptocurrency global large top 5 index, with Solana, SOL, taking its place. Solana's remarkable surge of nearly 500% in recent months has propelled its market capitalization to $42.5 billion, securing its position in the top 5 and leading to the removal of XRP. This adjustment comes only 3 months after XRP replaced USDC in the index in October 2023. The timing of Solana's rise coinciding with XRP's removal adds an interesting layer to the narrative. In addition to Solana's inclusion, the latest adjustments involve the addition of promising projects such as ICP, NEAR, OP, INJ, and IMX to the global index. On the other hand, TUSD, BUSD, HBAR, PHL, and MKR are facing removal. HKVAC, a virtual asset rating agency based in Hong Kong, introduced virtual asset indices and exchange-traded ratings in late spring. These indices aim to capture the performance of various cryptocurrencies, providing local investors with a comprehensive overview of the market. These adjustments come amid significant developments in the Hong Kong cryptocurrency scene, where reports suggest that around 10 fund companies are actively preparing to launch virtual asset spot ETFs in the region. 7 or 8 of these companies are reportedly in advanced stages of development, indicating a growing interest in cryptocurrency investment products within the financial sector in Hong Kong. Xrp New News Update. The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit witnessed increased activity as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a motion compelling Ripple Labs to produce financial statements for 2022-2023 and details of post-complaint contracts related to institutional sales of XRP. With a remedies-related discovery deadline set for February 12, the case is progressing toward crucial arguments on the penalties Ripple may face for XRP sales to U.S. institutional investors. The SEC's pursuit of the $770 million proceeds from XRP sales relies on U.S. case law, particularly Morrison v. NAB and Liu v. SEC. These rulings limit the SEC's jurisdiction to U.S.-based sales and establish guidelines for disgorgement awards, potentially influencing the case's outcome. Amid the legal battle, speculation about XRP spot ETFs gained traction. Valkyrie's chief investment officer, Steve McClurg, highlighted the potential for crypto spot ETFs following BTC spot ETF approvals, with XRP being considered for inclusion in the evolving landscape. XRP's price action presents a complex picture. While bullish indicators emerge on the weekly chart, the daily chart suggests a bearish near-term outlook. XRP is below the 50-day EMA, indicating short-term bearishness, but holds above the 200-day EMA, suggesting a longer-term bullish trend. A move beyond the 50-day EMA could target the $0.6354 resistance, while a fall below the $0.5835 support might bring the 200-day EMA into focus. In the 4-hour analysis, XRP's position above the 50-day EMA, but below the 200-day EMA sends mixed signals. Surpassing the 200-day EMA could pave the way to the $0.6354 resistance, while falling below the 50-day EMA risks a drop to the $0.5470 support level. The ongoing SEC versus Ripple case and the potential for XRP spot ETFs are influencing the future of XRP and its role in the broader cryptocurrency market. As legal proceedings intensify and market speculations rise, XRP remains a focal point for investors and legal experts alike. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.